Hi, Gales and guys. Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today I'm working on this here article. This is it's going to be 10 best water cameras. So there's the first product that I put on there. I grabbed all the images. Perfectly fine to take those. Those are all promotional images from the actual company. I did get them off Amazon. Again, fine to take those. There's some videos on there I like to grab too. So how do you grab those? That's what I'm here to give you a clue in. All right. So what I do is I just go to the product page. Here's the product that I'm working on, obviously. And then I just double click on the first image. Doesn't matter which one you click on. Just click on it. And I click off it. I don't want it blue. So you can go through these and just right click. These are just the images and then just save all the images. That's perfectly fine. I want us, this particular video, I want to concentrate on this. So if you see, there's not really a place to grab any coding or anything. So this is what you do. So you just right click on here. Actually, right click on here. Sorry. All right. So if you right click, you're going to see this menu. You're going to hit View Source. All right. Then it's going to come up with the HTML code. So what you want to do is get your find. So mostly Control Find. And from there, put in .mp4. And then you just want to go through and scrub through this. So here's one. So you just want to grab that address. Just make sure I'm grabbing the one here. All right. So you're going to copy it. So Control, was it Control C? I believe I did it without it thinking. I got to find an open tab here. We'll go here. There. All right. So there's a video that we saw on here. All right. And all you simply do is just right click and save video as. All right. I've already downloaded it. And you just put it to your desktop. Mine's on the desktop. And all right. So you just download that. So you go to your article page where you're creating your article. And I don't know, just go down to the bottom here. I'm going to add media. Okay, I'm going to upload media. I'm going to select. Go to my desktop because that's where it's sitting. Just got to find it. That's it. That might be it. Let's see what else I got for MP4. I think that's it. All right, let me do this. Let's see, video as. I don't really want to save it as that. I want to save it as the product name. So save it as. So there we go, right there. Save it as. Okay, so right there. I'm gonna hit save. Sure, we'll overwrite that. That's no problem. Okay, so we'll go back here. We'll select. Go back to desktop. Looking for queso. So there it is, right there. And just let it do its thing. Have some. Okay, here we are. And it's always good to put a title in here. So I'm just going to put, so I'll probably go back and make it a longer title afterwards. All right, I don't need a description or anything. I'm going to do it in the bed player. So I'm going to insert in this post. All right, it's going to be right here. Let's take a look at it in the visual. Okay, there it is. I don't really want that right in the middle. I want to center it. So let's see if it allows you to center. No, that's all right. We'll just close this. We'll go back into the HTML code. We'll just go back down here. I'm just going to put in. Oops. Right, and then we'll just go center. HTML code if you're not aware. There we go. Okay, so if we go to the page, and here it is. Scroll. Let's refresh. Okay, and there it is. Beautiful. So it can be part of your product page. People can click on that and get a better idea what the product is. So you can just go through here and there's another one that I could download that's actually part of the promotional material. And then you get into, if you go down too far, you get into people that are reviewing the, let me go down there. I wouldn't grab these if you're going to review the product, make your own video. And I just want to show you just for instance. Yeah, so this is someone and just adding it to the review. So don't grab those. They're low. It's low quality and it's not going to look good on your site. So just keep in mind that those are also in that code. And as always, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, certainly put them down below. I will answer them for you. At any point you have a question, I will make a video for you. Okay, guys and gals, as always, if you could please subscribe down below, certainly share, like, hit the bell. I would appreciate it very, very much. And that's it. I'll catch you soon. Have a good day. Bye.